Hi everyone, I'm Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about how to manage your time during your LLB examinations and how to be focused on your LLB examinations. Many of the students have been troubled to concentrate on their studies. So they have so many distractions during their LLB examinations because due to their busy schedules, due to their many of the students are working with part-time job, many of the students are working with business, many of the students are engaged in agriculture activities. So due to all circumstances, so how to be focused on your LLB subject during the LLB examinations. My dear friends, LLB is not a easy course, especially comes under Karnataka State Law University Hubli. So many of the students are struggling to get the passes in their LLB examinations. I have been seeing many cases in my during tenure of 2 years. So I have been started this YouTube channel around 2 years. So since I am seeing many of the students have been struggled to get pass marks in their LLB examinations. So during this time, how to be focused on your subjects and how to be utilized the time, especially during the LLB examinations. My dear friends, for your primary primary object is to pass your LLB examinations or score your LLB examination. That primary should be you should have. Whether you are doing part-time job, whether you are doing agriculture activities, whether you are doing whatever, but your primary objective is to score or pass your LLB examinations. So during this situation, my advice is to please be focused on your studies because LLB is a crucial subject. So you cannot able to pass and you cannot able to score at your LLB examination, specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University Hubli. So Karnataka State Law University is very difficult. They are not giving marks, and even many of the students have been failed because of strict evaluations. So in this situation, my advice is to please be focused. Please be prepare your notes for your LLB subjects. So please take 5 years question papers of previous. So you write a note down your questions whatever appeared for the during the examinations, previous examinations. Please note down those questions and please try to answer yourself while searching many prescribed books, textbooks, whatever. And even the same thing have been made for my for LLB students. I have been made more than 10 years of previous question papers. I have been extracted around most important questions for the upcoming LLB examination. For that I have been answered various prescribed books and reference books, and even I have been found many answers from even internet also. So that is the way I have been made it, and even notes are available with me 3 years and 5 years LLB, around 35 subjects I have been made it. So lastly I will say what how can you get it, these notes, and what are the benefits of these notes I can say. But this video will be focused on how to focus for your time, especially time is precious during this LLB examination. So what you have to do is during this examination, because examinations are going on, so time is precious. What you have to do is you have to already, if you have made notes, that is well and good. If not made notes also, you have to be make key points of each questions, and in the particular questions what case laws will be appeared and what are the sections covered under, what are all the provisions under the act or under the questions, whatever. You have to be prepare yourself like key points. So during this time you have to be study. In a day you will have 24 hours of time. During that time you have to leave 8 hours for your sleep and remaining 4 hours for other activities. So you have to be focused at least 6 hours. So you cannot able to manage 6 hours, at least 4 hours a day. 4 hours a day during the LLB examination. In that 4 hours, what you have to do is 40 minutes you have to study. Say stretch 40 minutes you have to study, and then after 40 minutes you have to sleep, or you have to watch your mobile, you chat with your friend. That is up to you how you are doing it, that is up to you. But 40 minutes you have to study properly. After 40 minutes you take rest for half an hour. During this half an hour you analyze what you have studied, what questions you have covered, and what are all the sections have come, and what are the provisions under that act, what was the case law it was appeared, and what case laws was set, and what was the judgment, what was the causes. Those kind of things you have to analyze yourself. So after completion of 40 minutes, you can able to say during these 40 minutes around 3 questions you have studied, and for that 3 questions, what you have to do, you have to analyze what exactly that question was, and what answer was you have studied, and what was the case laws in that particular question, and what was the section that act was. So those kind of things you have to be analyzed, or you can able to discuss with your friends through phone. That also you can make it. So that also you can do it. So if you do like this, if you memorize yourself whatever you have studied, that is very good. If you memorize, then only you can able to answer during your LLB examinations. Automatically your mind will be move like anything. So many of the students are not doing like that. So bulkily they study. I have seen many times full night they have studied, and they don't have rest, they don't have sleep, and even they do not take food. During this LLB examinations, your health is very important. Please have sufficient food and quality of food. You should have a quality of food and quality of drink. What you call milk you can drink, and watermelon juice you can have it. So if you drink that, you don't get dehydrated in your body. You should always water is very important for your mind, or what you call brain is required water. So for that you required, at least you have to drink plenty of water, and as well watermelon juice also you can take it. So that is very important. Please to take care of your health, it is required. Then after 40 minutes you have studied, and every day at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes you have to do yoga or meditation. So to be focused, you have to be concentrate on your subject. What you have to do is, you take a lamp, and after lightening of lamp, you have to see that lamp 5 minutes as stretch. 5 minutes continuously you watch that light. Only you have to watch that light. You should not think about here and there, and what is the lamp, what is the functioning of lamp, and what is the oil that lamp contains. Don't think about it, and don't see other mind should not come. Only you have to be focused. The lamp lightening of lamp. That lightening 5 minutes in a day, and evening time 5 minutes a day. Every day you have to practice like that. Obviously your concentration level will be going to increase, my dear friends. So this is very important, you to improve your concentration level, and as well your health is uttermost important during this LLB examination. And to remember case laws sections, this is very very tough for everyone. So simple methodology you have to be used. So I have been made notes, wonderful notes, because I have seen previous yesterday's examination and day before day examination, environmental law, like company law, and constitution law 1, 2, those kind of things. Every questions have been appeared. What I have prepared for most important questions, that only they have been asked. You can cross check it. Company law, environmental law, constitution 2, everything. The most 90% of the questions it has appeared, most important questions which I have prepared, and for most important questions I have been answered. So if you refer, that is bread and butter, what you call. So during this time, that is bread and butter. So you need not to search here and there, prescribed books, reference books, those kind of things you need not to search now. You can able to directly go through and directly answers is available for all questions. 40 to 45 questions have been made for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB for crucial time what you are facing. This is how I need to clarify in this video, how to concentrate, how to focus on your subject, and how to memorize yourself for your answers, and how to be right in the LLB examination. That is also I have explained in earlier videos many times. So I hopefully need not to require furnished in this video to again and again how to prepare, how to crack, and how to write your LLB examination, what are the methodology to used for the examination, how to manage your time during 3 hours of time. Those kind of things have been explained in the earlier videos. You can cross check it. If you go through the playlist, you can get the videos what I have suggested in the earlier videos. In this video, I need to clarify that your concentration, how to concentrate on yourself, that also have been explained. And finally, I need to clarify in this video that I have been prepared around 35 subjects for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. So all subjects questions, 40 to 45 questions have been made answers for all previous year question papers. So if you go through that questions and answer, that is very sufficient to score at your LLB examinations. That is bread and butter, what you call, you can able to suck the knowledge whatever you require for the upcoming LLB examination. That is very important. If you would like to get that notes, please contact the number, the mobile number which I mentioned in the YouTube description column, so that you can get the notes. If you contact them, definitely you can get the notes. I am not dealing with that notes because I have engaged other activities. So my colleague Miss Rani will take care of that notes. So if you contact her, definitely she can able to give that notes. Notes are very useful. If you can get, and if you can go through, and if you can be able to prepare for your upcoming whatever running the examinations, that you can able to score. I'm damn sure that definitely most of the questions have been appeared in my notes, whatever you have prepared the most important questions. So hopefully this video have been clarified about how to focus on your LLB subjects, and how to memorize yourself, and how to be concentrate on your day-to-day studying. And I have been clarified about my notes for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Please do subscribe my channel Marketing, so that you will notified very good videos pertaining to 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Thank you.